starting this project. We're gonna be removing the gutters. Got the gutters removed safely. There's that area where the clog used to be the other day where whoa, we cleaned it up there. So we'll have some larger downspouts. This is not painted at all right there. So definitely, I mean, the uppers are not as bad as the lowers. We need to paint the lowers. So it'll look nice. The top you won't see as much. Some of the boards are good right there. We're taking these square downspouts off. That's just a collection of debris behind it, no problem. So the roof here is good. It's extra long, that's very nice. So the only place on the entire house seems to be just this side right here. Not enough overhang, so we'll probably end up putting some drip edge or something. It's just way too short. Like, literally. So just this side, so I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. Paint these fascia boards in the back so the line is not visible. Just gonna point out, we got some paint marks right here. That's been there, so that's not us. We haven't started yet. We're still cleaning that board. To paint the fascia board, we're just gonna paint the front. That way the gutters look nice. Front and a little bit on the side here. That'll make it look nice. That corner dry rot, and then paint all this. I think it's a good call to do that right now. And then get the new gutters up. Painting this lower here. That way the paint line right there, the blue, is not gonna be visible. And we'll clean these things up here. It's gonna look fabulous. Well, it's sunny. We've got the whole house, pretty much the whole house painted. It looks fabulous. Much better. Got it all buckled in. This corner we have to cut out. It's a little bit destroyed. Installed flashing right here on this side because the roof was super short. So that's really nice. It's so nice to have the boards painted. But yeah, we're swapping out this corner. It rotted out. So we'll get that fixed up here. We're running 6K extra heavy duty. It's 032, and we got hidden hangers every 2 feet. So we're tied off, hanging our second piece. We almost have the back done. Hanging a couple more. We got some tarps going. Everything's cleaned up. I really like how we painted the boards. We have both trucks today. Lots of equipment. Big project. It's definitely a beautiful view up here. Got the corners sealed. And they're doing the lower. So lots of climbing. Making our downspouts. We're putting glue on the inside. So there's the downspout, so it won't make noise. Got the back gutters done. Install the downspouts. 1, 2, 3. It's coming together. Got that side done. So there'll be 3 downspouts here to install. And a couple more on the side. Got all the upper gutters done. Storm is coming. Day number 3, we're fixing the downspouts today. Or better yet, making new ones. We have glue inside each elbow here, so the water noise will be deterred. And working on it. We're doing a cleanup on the chimney right there. Gonna make it nice again. It's like a winter storm. But here's the final product right there. We're gluing the old holes and then put in the reducers. Like I said, we have glue in every elbow here, here, here. So when the water drops, it hits the glue. Doing a little cleanup. Got the chimneys cleaned. Back to new. Look at these corners, amazing. And it started to rain, so, and it's super windy up here. There's the downspout. We did a little bit better job than last time. Made it less clearance. And these corners, by the way, got this board replaced. So, good to go there. Check out these amazing corners. The guys are just phenomenal. We got another one up there just like it. And it's gonna be right there. Phenomenal corners. So this is the downspout that was clogged. So we did put more slope on that gutter. So it's tilted. And then the downspout has extra slope on it as well. So no more clogs. That downspout with extra slope. There you go. Amazing professional work. Color matched 3x4 aluminum downspouts. And there's that other downspout that we had. Clogs. No more clogs there.
130, so he'll be around for a bit.